Ako po ay isang Koreano pero ipinanganak at lumaki ako po sa Pilipinas.
So bakit, Yerin, bakit mahal mo ang pagsasayaw? Why do you love dancing? Can you answer my question in Tagalog? No? No? Ubos na ang Tagalog, naubos. Oh. Why do you love dancing?
Actually, when I was young, I loved to dance because it gave me energy, confidence, and it made me kind of happy. It made me help release my stress every day, daily. And another reason for dancing is because we have school activities, we have programs, and to also improve my dancing skills, I always practice every day.
One last question. Is it okay with you that you will share your talent to all the youths and kids or teens of Dasmariñas?
Of course, yeah, if I have the chance, then I would really love to do it.
So are you ready?
Yeah,
So once again, let's call our Miss Pretty Ambassador 2025 Kids of the World, the future star of the Philippines, no other than Yerin Lee.